Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video by your girl Big Bubbly Beauty. It's great to see you all again. So it's been a while since I've actually sat down to film things. It's been a while since I've uploaded things as well, but I do have some backlog as well, so you'll see a few old videos. But this is my first time sitting down to film in a little while, mostly just because work's been crazy and I've been sick, so I just didn't feel like filming, to be quite honest. Was super tired, burnt out, and then sick on top of everything else. But I am back at it, or at least I'm going to try to be. So welcome back. Welcome to my new hair again. I did mermaid colors this time. Very excited. So today's video is going to be the FabFitFun fall unboxing. I'm actually really excited because when I picked all the choices, admittedly it wasn't a very fall-esque box, but it had a lot of stuff that I really wanted. So I'm going to do the box as per usual and then my add-ons. So I hope you enjoy and let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to keep my glasses on. Hopefully the glare isn't too bad, but honestly I kind of like being able to see, and I'm kind of sick and tired of filming without my glasses on. I don't like contacts, they bug my eyes too much, they're too dry. But so hopefully that's not a problem for you guys, the glare. But this is the FabFitFun fall box. It's very muted. I guess it's kind of fall-esque. It's more like a retro looking box than necessarily a fall box. Not necessarily a bad thing. Let's open her up. Knife. Alright, so as per usual, I'm gonna do the box first and then I'm gonna do my add-ons at the end. So we'll get into it. I like the decoration on the inside with the fall leaves. It's quite nice. As usual, there's that magazine, which no longer tells us what's actually in the box, because why would you do that? Like, I get the point of the magazine, I just don't get why it doesn't tell you what's in the boxes, like what were your choices. It just feels like they're trying to sneak stuff in by doing that. All right, well, there's some interesting things in here. There's where you should travel based on your zodiac sign. Aquarius. Roswell, New Mexico. Yeah, no, we'll take a tropical beach. Thank you very much. Let's see if my app has some information. I mean, it did the last time. They keep changing it though. Overall, the prices I think are supposed to be going up, and I don't know how I feel about that. I know what the prices are of the stuff that I got, but I have no idea what the choices were. So we'll just start with the first thing. If you've been following my Instagram, you know that I've been doing a lot of baking, like a lot of baking recently. So I bought a lot of baking and cooking supplies because why not? So the first thing is this Phantom Chef 8-inch fry pan, and I'm hoping it works for an induction stove top. It says it's suitable for all worktops, for all cooktops. So I'm hoping. It is MSRP $40, so that's actually quite expensive for a frying pan, I think. Like, you can get Tefals for like 25, can't you? Also, it's kind of small. Ooh, I like it though, and I think it is good for an induction. We'll have to try it out, but I think it'll be fine. It's small, but I like that handle, and I like the blue. It's supposed to be non-stick. Okay. Good little addition to, I almost whacked myself in the face with the frying pan. Good little addition to my frying pan collection, because it actually is the smallest frying pan I would own, which is great for things like fried egg sandwiches. I find that my pan is actually too big. It's an interesting dilemma. So apologies for the audio, just notice now it's not working. Anyways, this is the smallest frying pan I have, which is actually not a bad thing now that I'm thinking about it, because I do have large frying pans and not actually a tiny one. Because the set I came with, I bought the large set because that would be more useful for everything. But I don't actually have a small one. So for like fried egg sandwiches, where it's kind of like you want it to be in one spot and not seep across the whole pan, this would actually be pretty good. So as long as it works on my stove, yeah. Plus I like the heft of the handle. Like, I really like the design. Yeah, I'm gonna stop throwing a frying pan around before I hit myself in the face. So I'm actually still pretty happy with that choice. Next set is a set of measuring cups and spoons. Now, yes, do I have some? Yeah, but have they been breaking on me because they're cheap plastic and not up for the heavy duty baking that I've been doing, or I've been like just misusing them? Also yes. So do I have like a cup of a measuring cup anymore? No, I the biggest one I have is a half cup because it's the only ones that haven't broken yet. So I kind of needed more measuring cups because I've just been pretty terrible to my measuring cup sets, to be honest. So there's two different kinds here. There are teaspoon, tablespoon sets, and then the all the way up to a cup. Yay! And then kind of like half cup, etc. of these, and they are made out of bamboo. Dishwasher safe. Ooh, even better. And they're from Food 52 bamboo measuring cups and spoons in blue green. Love the colors. And they were suggested at $28. That's a lot for a measuring cup set, but it is dishwasher safe and I did need it, so it was like a great add-on for me. Next, one of my things isn't actually in the box. I think it's in the extra box that's attached to my box, so let me see if I can find that. Here it is. It wasn't actually in my box, so maybe it was because I did it as an add-on. Maybe I picked a second option. I'm not entirely sure. But this is the Chicken Tonic 3-piece silicone baking set. Again, I've been a little bit bake happy, so more baking supplies is good for me. That's probably why I really wasn't excited for this box, is because of all the baking supplies. Normally I'm not excited for the fall boxes, but I like baking and cooking supplies. Hell yeah. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, so cute. So these, great. I actually do need more spatula type things. I've been using like just wooden spoons, but they don't do so well with really wet things. Again, a little bit porous. They are wood, but these would be perfect. So mixing spatulas and a silicone baking sheet. I find that if I'm just baking some stuff on a flat tray, rather than use parchment, which you can't reuse, you can use a baking sheet. And this is cute because it looks like little sprinkles are all through it. And this 3-piece set was supposed to be $40. Huh. Yeah. No. Like, it's cute and it's neat and reusable, but $40? No. Maybe like 20. Moving on. I also got, going away from the realm of baking, I got this eye brush set from Looksee. I always need more eye brushes because I am bad at cleaning mine. I know, it comes from laziness. I actually have no excuse. I don't even know why I'm trying, but I always appreciate more eye brushes. Oh, there's another thing. I'm not going to get into this, am I? Anyways, 4-piece eye brush set. It was just the best option out of the things I could pick, so I picked it. This set, $64 for 4 eye brushes. Are they on crack? Like, no. I do like that they label them though, for once. There's a flat definer, concealer, blending, and a short shader. So at least they're labeled, but I'm sorry, what? $64 for 4 brushes. What are they made out of? Silk? They're synthetic. They're vegan and cruelty free. Fair enough, but that's way too much for a set of 4 eyeshadow brushes. Wow, words. Okay, moving on. This is a body wash. Again, best out of the options that were available. And it is a for your body multivitamin cleanse, nourish, balance, and eucalyptus. And that's probably why I picked it, was because the scent sounded good. Ooh, that's very strong with eucalyptus, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. I like smelling like eucalyptus. Why is there like a little sticker on the top? Do you just, oh, that's actually quite neat. So you, I don't think I'll be able to show this, but there's like a little top part that is closed, but then if you open it but not open it fully, it creates like a little hole so you can actually just get it out the top, and then you can seal it back up, so you don't actually have to unscrew the cap fully in the shower. That's actually quite clever. I like that. And this was suggested at $25. Not as upset about that, but it is a little high. Again, I think everything on these boxes tend to be overpriced, but that's actually not that bad compared to the $64 eye brushes. Anyways, next item. I got these because I use these a lot, and it's probably good to have a few more, honestly, because I find that just the more you put in, the better drying it has. Not drying, anti-static and anti-frizz. And these are some organic wool dryer balls. I actually use these pretty much every time I do laundry, so it is a very useful and necessary item for me, so that's why I got them. Again, it was kind of like a, hey, I could use more of that, let's get it, and oh, that's really neat and necessary, okay, let's get that. I kind of did like a shopping list with my FabFitFun box, which in a way actually worked out really well, because then I don't have to spend extra money and I get stuff that I know that I'm gonna like, and in kind of like patterns and colors and brands that I wouldn't have normally purchased from. So there are some benefits to that. And so this To The Market wool dryer ball set of 3 is $20. $20, it's actually not far off, so not actually overpriced that much, so not bad, not bad. All right, last but not least, again, I think this is just simply because there was not any other choices that I really liked. And it's a Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream Hyaluronic Acid with Witch Hazel. I have been starting to get back into skincare, so this will be my, not right now, but eventually soon, eye cream. Why not? I don't know anymore. I have a good face wash that I like with Cetaphil or CeraVe, whichever one is available in my store. And then I like the moisturizers that go with that, but I don't really like have an eye cream to go with those. So that's why I was like, okay, more eye cream. And then I found a bunch of eye creams after I made that selection. So I actually have a lot of eye creams already. I'm not sure how many are expired. We're just gonna keep it. Maybe we'll give this away. I don't know. Depends on when it expires. And they said that was $30. Not as exorbitantly overpriced as some of the eye creams I've seen. A little bit overpriced, but not terrible in comparison. Plus it looks like you get a lot. You don't get a lot. 0.5 fluid ounces. Not terrible, but this is probably not full. Alright, so that was what I got for my box. Honestly, the baking supplies are stuff that I was looking to get anyways, so that was actually really helpful that all came together. So in a sense, I would have put that money into those anyways. And then the dryer balls are always useful. And then the kind of things that were kind of like a bit more superfluous were the eye brushes and the body wash and the eye cream. But overall, like, that was a good set of things that felt more directed at me, whereas like most of the times the fall box and the winter boxes, I'm kind of like, eh. All right, let's wait for spring and summer because those are more my vibe. But this time, like the cozy fall with actually cooking and baking, that is my identity now. I like baking a lot, like a lot. Yeah, so overall I think it actually worked out well for me this time. Now for my add-ons, this is more for like next summer, I think, or even for the last little bit of fall, but we don't have a pitcher, like a big pitcher. This is not as big as I thought it would be, but it's bigger than anything that we have to mix mojitos in. We make mojitos and put them in. This looked very different pattern wise in the picture. The vibe was very different, so I'm not sure if I like the pattern as much in person, but it's not bad. And it was $24, so not terrible. Sorry, $36, and I paid $24 for it. So I don't know, but it was kind of just something that I needed to make mojitos in, because we have a mojito mid plant and we like to make mojitos. So that's why I got that. And then these two I had bought for travel. So I thought these were travel sized. I guess not. But anyways, I really liked the Fakai shampoos and conditioners. And so this is I like the color one that I have right now. It's really, really good. So kind of bought more. This is the Shea Butter Intense Moisture one. And this is the Super Strength bundle shampoo and conditioners. They were both, well, this one was $19 and this one was $20. Close enough. Not a terrible price for the shampoo and conditioner, so obviously it's more than that. $48 was suggested for the first one, and $56 was suggested for the second one, so overpriced if you bought them at full price, but for 20 bucks a piece, that's actually reasonable and something I would pay for shampoo and conditioner, obviously because I got them. And I find that they're great for travel. Obviously I won't need both of them. I just really like taking these with me on my trip, and then I really liked using it while I'm here, and so I've kind of like have been falling in love with this brand of shampoo, so I've just kind of been keeping with it. I thought they were travel size though, to be honest. That was kind of why I bought them, is I thought they were gonna be the small ones. Oops, that was just me not reading the description. But hey, more product for the money that I thought I was gonna pay for travel size. Not terrible. My partner will pack some and I will pack some because we're planning on going away this time for like 2 months, a lot longer than before. Well, that is my very chaotic unboxing of my FabFitFun box and my add-ons. Yeah, I kept the add-ons to a minimum this time, which is like 3 things, which is, that shows restraint for me. Now, I did put in another order where I bought the advent calendar, so that should come out once I get it. If you're curious what the FabFitFun advent calendar has in it, that'll be another video, obviously. Yeah, it feels weird to be back in front of the camera, but let me know what you guys think of this box. What do you think of FabFitFun? Is it worth the rising cost is the question. I don't know. I've been finding like, I say this every single time, but like I like FabFitFun. It's one of the few that still has value for me. So despite the fact that I'm like trying to pare down on things, I might still keep it because I like the stuff, but it's getting more expensive, so I don't know if it's still as worth it as it was before. You know? Like, is the cost worth it? I don't know. You let me know if you think it's worth the cost. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day, beautiful people, and I will see you next time. Bye!